Hi everyone. In this video, I want to teach you how to do multiplication of a decimal number and a one-digit whole number. Okay, this one actually is just the same. The way is the same when we do multiplication of whole number with whole number. And then now we want to see how to do with uh, with a decimal and a whole number. This is just the same. So we will start the multiplication, start from the smallest place value, which is the 2 here. Okay, and then let's see. Let's do it. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 with no carryover. Let's continue again. After that, 3 times 7 is 21. And then we write down the 2 carry over here. And then 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus the 2 is 20. And then we write down the 2 carry over here, and then after that we see the decimal dot, and then we just copy the decimal dot here, and then 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus the 2 carry over become 8. So 2.672 times 3 is 8.016. And then you can see here, this one you have 3 decimal places here. Your result also you have 3 decimal places here, because this one the whole number has no decimal places. Okay, so let's continue with the second example here. 53.27 times 5. So continue again, start from the smallest place value, which is the 7 here. 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, after that we write down the 3 carry over, and then 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. And then we write down the 1 carry over here. And then after that we see the decimal dot here. We just copy the decimal dot. And then 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus the 1 is 16. Write down the 6 here, and then 1 carry over here. 5 times 5 is 25, plus the 1 carry over become 26. So 53.27 times 5 is 266.35. See 2 decimal places here. The result is also 2 decimal places. Okay, so let's continue again with the third example. 673.9 times 6. Okay, start again from the smallest place value here. 6 times 9 is 54. We write down the 4, and then after that we write down the 5 carry over here, and then after that we meet the decimal dot. We copy the decimal dot. Okay, 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. So we write down the 3 here, and then the 2 here, 2 carry over. Okay, 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 2 is 44. 4 here, carry over here, 4. And then 6 times 6 is 36. And then plus the 4 is become 40. Okay, so we write down the 40. And then the result of that multiplication is 4043.4. You see, one decimal place is here, one decimal place, and then the result also one decimal place. Okay, so after this I want to give you some exercise. You do it on your own on a piece of paper. You try, after you copy the number, you stop the video first, and then you do your calculation. After you finish with your calculation, you start the video again, compare your result with my result. Okay, so that it is to see if you understand this calculation, this multiplication or not. Okay, I will show you the first exercise. The first exercise is 2.578 times 4. Okay, you can stop, you can pause the video now. After that you do it, and then you compare the result. Okay, you can pause the video now. Okay, so the result of this calculation is 10.312. Okay, so the result is that. Okay, I give you another exercise. Please see this number, 45.25 times 8. Please pause the video, copy the number, okay, and then do your calculation. After that, start the video again. You can pause it now. Okay, the result for this calculation is this. 362.00. Okay, I give you the last exercise. Try it on your own again. Right, after that you compare it again. Okay, this is the third exercise, 528.4 times 9. Please pause the video now. Okay, this is the last one. I give you the result. The result of 528.4 times 9 is 4755.6. Okay, that's all for the exercise that we have for today. Hope you understand how to do the multiplication of a decimal number and a one-digit whole number. Thank you.